Mr. Consul General raised so many points in his speech, but I will try to be limited. I try to focus on the importance of Russian language. So, today it is the matter of pleasure that Department of International Relations, Federal University and Russian Center for Science and Culture are going to inaugurate Russian language course for our students. And we are grateful that His Excellency Mr. Consul General will inaugurate himself the Russian language course. As we know that Russian is the 5th most spoken language in the world. And every student of IR knows it very well that Russian is one of the 5 official languages of the United Nations. And Russian is not only official language of Russia, it has official status in Belarus, in Kyrgyzstan, and in Kazakhstan, from where Ms. Gulnaz Khan belongs. And she will teach you Russian language. So, and Russian is an important language for science and technology too, because the second highest number of scientific publications in the world are produced in Russian language. And as our host said, the language of space is Russian. Yes, definitely. And so many points raised. One of our students asked one question. I just want to share one thing that Russia always supported Kashmir, but before Sito and Sand. When Pakistan joined, American came, then they went their position. Well, so, and when we talk about language, we cannot separate language from literature. And Russian literature is very rich, very rich. And we know Chekhov, Gogol, Nikolai Gogol, and Dostoevsky, and Tolstoy, and Maxim Gorky. When we were young, we used to study Maxim Gorky, mom, the mother, one of the very revolutionary novel. I studied in Urdu. So, but you people are very much lucky that you will study in Russian. You will be able to read in Russian language, its own language. When we were young, we studied the mother, and we were highly inspired by that novel. And we were highly inspired by that inspirational character of Pavel Vlasov. I can't pronounce properly Pavel Vlasov. A young Russian revolutionary boy. He used to raise questions with his mother. So I suggest you and I advise you to read The Mother, written by Maxim Gorky, and you can read Lenin, you can read Trotsky, The Revolution Betrays, Pushkin. There are so many men of letters, because Russian literature is very rich, and now you are going to learn Russian, so it is necessary to read all these big names. And they are very much familiar in our society. We know all of them. And they are not new in Pakistani society. Chekhov and Nikolai Gogol and Tolstoy and Maxim Gorky, they are not new. We used to study. So you should, well, I congratulate you for being part of the Russian language course, and best wishes for your success, for your future. Thank you.